guys, I wanted to show you what a full-grown Mexican petunia looks like. Look, this is how big that they can actually grow to. These are the apartments across the street from where I live, but look at how large they get. That is about a 5-foot plant right there. Yeah, oh, the Mexican petunias are so beautiful. Let me try. But these are bigger than I am. Yeah, I'm 5'2". Anyway, they're just gorgeous. I can't wait till mine grow full size like that too. I don't know if they will within 1 year or not, but we'll find out. Okay, bye guys, see you later. This is so awesome, I just had to share it with you. 1 sec. Okay, you wanna know what's so exciting about this? After almost a month of no rain with a random shower here and there, I finally got a downpour, a solid downpour for 20 minutes a couple of hours ago. We had some light sprinkles on Saturday morning and that was it. It's been weeks. So I'm so thrilled. My plants got a nice thirsty quench today, whatever, and I don't have to walk downstairs with a bucket. Oh, life is good.